And we've got this under the sea 24 pieces. So let's get started. This is the picture. We've got this puzzle, so let's get started. It's under the sea and it has 24 pieces. So let's get started. Where do you think this goes? That fits together a lot. Little pieces. Kind of looks like a jellyfish to me. Not that long. I think, ooh, yeah. This is what it is. An octopus near the shark. Maybe this goes with the octopus. What's the little shark's face? Maybe that goes. I don't know where this piece goes, but there's the shark's face. Well, now I know where it goes. The little fish jumping. Ooh, where does this piece go? A tricky piece. Maybe down here? No. I don't know, so I'm gonna put this aside. A little, what is it? Ooh, there it is, a little crab. You start. It goes just right here. Looks like an ocean plant right there. Craft by hand. A crab. I have no idea where this piece goes. This is the little ocean plant. Got this side done, but now I'm going to focus on this side. So. Under the sea. Where does a seahorse go? Ooh. So, did you know a seahorse's dad produces the little baby seahorse, not the mom? Now, the little seahorse is there. Ooh, what's that creature? It kind of looks like a whale. What is this part? What is this part? Does it go like this? Ooh, yes it does. And boom. So thumbs up for my video, subscribe, and check out my store on SC named MT Kitchen Boutique, and check us out on Facebook. Bye.